Hello, my name is Nancy Rosero. I am a student agroforestry engineer. Agroforestry engineering is of the paper and rational measurement of the soil in an territories is one of the careers towards the propose new alternatives for sustain and production, combining forestry, agriculture, and livestock components. Me aspiration. I should this career because one of my dreams is to teach people both to work sustainable production system heal whole caution damage the environment. Another of my goals is to learn to Danish on farming strategies to people of the group part of they put them there on the range of this space. Another of my dreams is to belong to research groups that help preserve the environment, implies where women by good by behave and the negative free environment. Learn to interact with people from different cultures and learn on the law from them. Thank you. Bye.